respect for these guys that come out here and put in 8 to 10 hours bent over inside of a trench, tying rebar. I don't know what to do. The wind is bad today. It's as windy as I told you it was. It's going to be about 24 miles an hour. And these guys are out here pounding. And the reason is because we're planning on pouring concrete tomorrow. And I have an inspection set with the city for in the morning. And then concrete's going to be here at 1 o'clock. So a lot of concrete guys. Their competition is probably making excuses about the wind today. They aren't making any excuses. They're just taking action. That's what you got to do.
Bro.
Dude, I love that. That's awesome. So, thanks to him for letting me enjoy that a little bit. Definitely enjoy running that excavator. It's crazy how this takes me back to a memory, right? It takes me back to a memory when I was 18 or 19 years old. And my dad had rented a big excavator for me. So what he did is he rented the excavator for me and said, okay, now get this right? I had no idea what I was doing. I was trying so hard on trying to figure out the controls and so forth. And that's how you learn. Freaking go out and make a mistake. And I made a mistake that whole day. You didn't know how to operate it. Guess what? Day 2 came. And I freaking had it perfected. And then, more than 10 years later, I jump on it and enjoy riding it, right? Like those controls just come right back to you. Looks good. String line indicates where the wall is at. They lay everything out, scatter their form boards, and go to town. Great day to pour. So the wind died down and the guys got all the rebar up. All the rebar is running in there. It's tied. So that looks really good. Met with Tim and Travis this morning from Madras. We've got my 5-inch pipe. And that's where the sewer comes in. And then we also put another like a 3-inch. And that's where my water service is going to come from the street and come in. So today I got a lunch with the chamber. And then inspection is supposed to happen here before 12 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock, concrete pump will be here and they'll fill up all these footings with concrete. So concrete trucks and all these guys will be just pouring the footing today. Quick ran over here this evening to check my footings, and that is a big footing. Love that. Look at that footing. Here's all where my columns come down, and it's the pier. So those are all made. That all looks really good. Water and orange juice. What else do you need when you're framing footings?